I know I'm late. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yes. Good morning. We had a base trade yesterday. Thank you. Thank you. It was a good one. I know I'm late. I'm sorry. It's like 9:25, and I'm like, oh no, I got to poop. And then I was like, do I hold it for the entire time? And then I'm like, nah, because I'm gonna be more antsy. And so I was like, all right, nothing's gonna happen in the first couple of minutes, anyways. It didn't look like I was gonna have anything that I wanted to take, so. I placed a buy and got stopped out. Now went to all time high. Just can't catch a break, Raven. I always gotta poop before trading. Yeah, it's a pain. We got news at 9:45 today. Red folder PMI, manufacturing and flash services. Uh, and we have more. Oh, and we had news at 8:30. Unemployment claims. 8:30. I think it's a scandal. I don't know why I took 1 minute off, but that didn't look like anything. We have new home sales at 10. Natural gas orders at 10:30. Okay. Oops. So I requested in Apex, so I'm trading 25 accounts today because this one's still under review. I couldn't request. I can request out of I thought I was gonna be able to request out of this one, but I can't because of the whatchamacallit. The consistency rule is 30%, and that trade that I made yesterday was like $900. So I'm over the consistency rule by 0.03%. I'm 30.03, so I can't request. But who knows? Maybe it'll just end up being better because then if I win today, I'll just be a bigger payout. And then I'm gonna see about passing. I'm not even close to passing Take Profit Trader or Alpha Futures. If they have a green day today. Let's see. No, point oh three, yeah, not 0003. So 30.03. I think we are consolidating till news. Possibly. Very possible. Dude, my Dow trade friggin' pulled all the way back on me. I was up. My friggin' alert was at this pivot point because I don't really have any targets after like this all-time high, which I literally fucking nicked, and then I was like, I'll set an alert here, and then my plan was to take profit around like here because I'm like, what was that, the weekly? I don't know. I had some target there. Hourly? Yeah, on the 4 hour. Here we go. On the 4 hour, I'm like, okay, I'll take that. It's below R2. I mean, a friggin' full retrace. I was up like, how many tickers was I up here? 450. I had two cons, so it's like 52 micro contracts or whatever. So it's like $1 a tick. So it's up like $450. Now I'm break even, like the 800s. But I'm hoping we bounce off this 4 hour. If we break above these, I'll probably add two more positions and then go break even with. Oh, actually, I already am break even, so. What's going on, FFs? But also I did the. Yeah, I feel like we're gonna keep dropping here at least to the 27th. That was my potential, but I think I added up. What the fuck is this? I added up. Did you guys trade yet? I didn't. I did not. My prop payouts this year, I think I'm at like 26K, with the including like the $1,000 I just requested from that one account yesterday. So we're 1/10 of the goal that I set out at the beginning of the day, or the beginning of the year, and we're in the end of July. I didn't trade. I'm waiting for opening range like a good trader. Raven, didn't you say you took a buy and then got stopped out before we hit all-time highs? Oh, that was yesterday. Oh, I see. Damn, I was about to call him like a rat. Well, because she just said it in the chat, like 10 messages ago. So I was like, what? What the fuck? Yeah. Also, if I make if I'm green today, I'll probably be able to take. Well, because like you need $1,200 in your MyFund futures. I have 2,100, but my consistency rule is 40% for this one, and I'm at 43%. So if I take a winning trade, depending on how big it is, uh, I should be able to get full payout in at least one. I think the other ones are still behind. Yeah, they're above the $1,200 buffer, but they're like 64%. So I'd need a banger trade for it to bring the consistency down. 64% consistency and 61%. So, not likely for those. But we got some chances for some payouts today. Let's see. And then, so I requested this one. What the heck? Did my stream just shut off? Are you guys still here or no? It just said like my OBS disconnected on the right. I've never seen that before. Okay, you guys are here. What is happening? Why is OBS fucking being retarded? What is wrong? 31, 41. Right, all these 32. What about 34? Nope. 26. Nope. 35. Oh no, I could request on 35 if I make some more money. 45. Same thing. Then nothing else is close. Okay. I got a potential if we're green here today. We can get a couple more. News is about to come out. Sorry, I haven't been reading anything. Yo, Mike, for the thumbnail, do you want something like PWs or Tanya Trades? The sad part is I don't even know what Pat's looks like. I don't know who Tanya Trades is. Tanja? Tanja? I'm Jay. I can watch. Let me look it up and see. I'm Jay. I can watch the Truman Show on YouTube. Sorry, that was irrelevant. I didn't F up. Oh, that was me. I mean, I said a trade. Are you in a trade right now? Yes. Yeah, we were here. I just keep hearing. Okay, I requested a payout here on a loop. Oh, Tanya, a good trader. Let me see what it looks like. I don't. The problem is, like, I feel like everybody's looks the same, but that's like the method. I just don't want to be a fucking douche. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want to take the guru-y. Let me see. Is it JA or YA? It just like looks the same as everybody else's, but I guess that is the point because they all have a lot of views. Let me see what's Pat's. Is that too guru-y? Do I look like a fag? What, so it would be something like that? See, like, they all look like that. It's all just like a version of the same print, the same thing. But I mean, I don't know what I expect it to be. It's a fucking thumbnail. I guess, yeah, sure. Try that. FFs. Did news come out? What was that? 9:45. Oh, we're bumping. We're bumping. Boopity boppity. I assumed we were gonna come up to those highs at some point because ES we just took out like pre-market slash overnight highs or whatever. Not really London. It was like Asia. I think that's Asia session. Like Asia session and pre-market session highs were like equal highs. So I figured we'd come higher and take those up. NQ we still have room to go. If we could get a pullback here, potentially, and then like form a flag to rip out of this 15-minute range, come up, grab at least like the 420s. But we'll see. Maybe we just fucking go right to it. Stop me up before taking my stuff off. This one. I'm tired. I assume you want your face on it? Yeah, you'll need to send me a nice photo. Oh, I need like a high definition photo or whatever. Um, Long's like so good, just waiting to position myself. Good morning, Nora. Good morning. I have any nice photos. I'm just look like a fucking retard at all times. I don't like. They all have like high definition photos. I'm gonna have a fucking camera that's high definition. I'd have to like take it on my phone. Wait, can you flex your biceps for the thumbnail? The problem is I would need fucking biceps and I look like a weak bitch. You'll attract too many Indians with biceps or lack thereof. That's exactly what I was talking about. Little pullback retracement, build out a flag right here. 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes. Let me make sure 40's not being copied. Yeah. Put a shower in the thumbnail. Yeah, that'll repel them. Or shoes. I think they're afraid of shoes. I don't think any of them have shoes. You can buy it from me for $30 on Apex account. Don't you have an? Are you trading an Apex account? Raven, if I were you, I would trade Apex accounts until you get to the point where you confidently have something, and then switch over and get like a MyFun Futures or Alpha Futures account, and then try to get your first payout on that. Because it's like, even though the evals are left in less in general, it's so much more affordable. But it's just like, once you know you can pass the eval, grab one of those, because it's like, great, you can get a $30 Apex account, but then you pass it and then you pay $140 to activate it. It's like you could just buy friggin' 2 MyFun Future accounts for that, and then you don't have to pass them. The only good thing about the Apex is the evals are like cheap, so if you're just trying to learn, you can trade on the evals. Oh, I just got a text from Johnny Boy. He's at the funeral today. Yeah, he's pretty good. Like, that's the thing. We're kind of on the same boat of, it's like, if it's not someone in my everyday life, it sounds friggin' bad, but it's like, I'm not the most affected when people die if, like, I'm not seeing them on, like, a weekly basis or anything. It's like, yeah, he knows them, he sees them at, like, Christmas or whatever, and, like, maybe some holidays throughout the year, but, I don't know. Like, obviously it sucks, but why did ES have to take that high? It's alright. We're all time highs. We're just likely gonna go higher, right? Is ES at all time highs right now? Is this? Yeah, yeah. I'm ignoring it. I'm just hoping we set up a bull flag here. A little push up, a little push down, a little push up. And then we take it out on NQ. But we'll see. This pullback's getting a little too big though. Holy, this 15-minute candle's looking ugly right now. That's pretty normal. Great chance of just running higher, but just reduces probability. Got, from friggin' top of the 15-minute range, or sorry, the top, because that's when it was putting it in. I guess it was the top, but it's like top of the 15-minute range, put it in the bottom of the 15-minute range, back up to the top, back up to the bottom. Too tired for this market today, Samia? What were you guys doing last night? SMT plus IFVG equals money. Did you get in? Isn't this the IFVG right here? You get in on this close. Stops here. Short or TP at the low. I did charity work, and I was on Jerkmates last night. All right, those are two totally different. What? Oh boy. What is Jerkmates? Couldn't sleep and went to work. I'm playing, but oh, IDK. Shorts might be the play from 10, honestly. Jerkmates, what? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what that is. I mean, it made more sense that ES out of the two were to go take it out because it was equal highs all the way from like when the market reopened yesterday, and then at like 10 o'clock, and then at like 7:30. Like all those were like equal highs pretty much. So it does make sense that that's the pair to go take it out, or at least that's what I tell myself. And then below that, 290s. Below that, like 270s. So we got some targets down that way. We'll see. See what we do. We got new home sales in 2 minutes here. Reconnection. We're losing it again. Fuck. Did it end? Why, I don't know why this is doing. I've never seen this happen before. What is it? Is it my fucking router? Is that the issue? I'm on like a Ethernet cord. So is my router being retarded, or is it my computer? Fuck me. Coincides. Okay, bro. What are we doing right now? Get laid, again, back up, again, reconnection. I'm on this buy right now. I kind of see the support. Wish me luck. Oh lord, such a tame news event. Anyways, under VWAP. We good, you ballsy. Yeah, I'm more of a fan of shorts, but I think news might just push it down. Careful, Raven. News. I mean, it's on the orange folder and it's new home sales, but news in 20 seconds here. Just have your stops in play at least, just in case it ends up being a bigger one. Ideally, I would want to see the news push this up above this 370s, and then I can look for a short below like this 60 level. Or is it just going to go without it? Let me just go. Yeah, it's going to go. Yeah. Damn, I was really hoping to come up here, short this. Or come back down and then I could short. But we'll see. Let's see what happens. I gotta find out if I gotta go to the bank today or tomorrow, honestly. I don't know. I forget when me appointment is. Dang, she's just gonna go. Let's see if she goes to. Like, my thought process would probably go. That's probably what my trade would have been, or, you know, would have done that, entered like here, and then probably either break even here or break even here at this 15-minute low, and then maybe try to ride it to this or just take profit here. Businessman Mike, oh yeah. Businessman with business plans. Should I start writing my, I see like some people in their titles will be like year-to-date payouts or whatever. I wonder if I should start writing that in my, like, the live bios or the live titles. I don't like it or refuse to take out notice, so we'll see. It heard me say that if I was in, I might go break even here. And then I was like, alright, we gotta go touch him at break even. Just to make sure. Then we'll dump. Shorts from 10 a.m. were indeed the play. Yeah, I just wanted to see like a second leg of this. But my hope would be that this pulls back to here, because I would probably be break even. Even though we didn't touch the low. It just seems like probably would have seen that and been like, okay, we're close enough, I'll fucking do it. Johnny told me to download Civ 6. It's on Epic Games. It's free right now till 11. I don't know where that even. I don't even know if I have Epic Games. Hindsight, I should have showed it there. Yeah. It's fun. Johnny the gamer. Yeah, I know he's at a funeral. He's thinking about friggin'. I heard it's on sale, or it's on, because he already has it. And he's like, oh, fun game. I think he said the sale ends at 11 or something, or the free game ends at 11. But game takes forever. Yeah, he said it's like some version of Risk. Which I know Risk takes forever, so. Are people still playing Fortnite? Is that happening? Or no? What message was retracted? Wow, this is only $80. You're giving it for free? What a steal. This PA, man. Ugh. Yeah. It's a little choppy. Okay, I got it. You're in long again? Oh god, you're scaring me, Raven. $15-minute chart's looking ugly. I know FF isn't traded. I know that for a fact. What's the Dow looking like? Ooh. Ooh. Might be adding to my position here. Celsius, I got an alert yesterday, I think. I got an alert from Meta today. Which, of course, I lost money on Meta. And then I think this week it's going to go, potentially. Yeah. I got in preemptively. I got in, like, here. I'm lost on an option call. But now we're breaking that. ES looks good for longs. I have no interest in this market. Yeah, up 6 points, but who knows? Boy. Yeah, I mean, I feel like we've had some good moving days recently. I feel like we're maybe a little due for some choppiness, maybe, potentially. This summer been pretty good. I mean, I like just switched to doing discretionary last month. Here. Yeah, well, like this was like the first full month of me doing it in July. But it's been a learning curve, so. But like all of May and like the first like 2 weeks in June really were just I don't know if you consider is May considered summer month? I guess. Oh, there's your fucking dump. Let's see if we break below this 15-minute range or chop back up. Oh, yep, there's your first target right there, London. I just wanted to see a second touch. Next target, 310s. Oh, took that sell. I love 1 second trades. Wow, yes, you gotta be close to a payout. I feel like you've been fucking ripping it lately. Jewish fake out. What? What was the fake out? Ugh, Christ. When in doubt, blame the Jews. It's a great plan. Don't know, need 3 more trading days. What's your account balance at? $52,400. Couldn't trade yesterday. What's the TLDR of your strand? What does that? What does that mean? What is TLDR? 52,400. So technically, I don't know about your consistency rule based on how much you've made, but if you make $200 more, you can request a $500 payout. Summed up version. What does TLDR stand for? Like I know you like what is the actual like acronym for, or whatever the fuck you'd call it. The lowdown, real quick. I have no idea. The too long didn't read. Okay, all right. I was way up. Especially don't know how to explain it. It's Cliff's Notes. Okay, I'm still thinking about it. And we're gonna keep it open. God damn it. There's second target right there. Yesterday's close. Next target is like the 92s if we go that low. And the target after that is like the 70s. Hopefully we don't just dump straight down to him. We can friggin' build out a flag. Baby, please don't go. You tiptoe your way right into my heart. Oh my god. Going to 0. I want the 70s and a nasty one. Stop block to break even now. Oh, you took a short. Nice. See what happens when you don't fight the trend, Raven? It's just pushing down and you just follow it and it just falls right into your lap. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. You tiptoed your way right into my heart. I don't know. I mean, we're still kind of early, but it's feeling like a no trade type of day for me. Not gonna lie, but we'll see. Yep, flap those NQ shorts. Oh, Mike, at a scale of 1 to 10, how much did you miss me, of course? Priv, was waiting all day for you. 9 out of 10. My favorite non-Indian Indian. Where are we at here? What do I want to see? What do I want to see? Maybe he'll pull back to like the 40s to then continue lower? Is that too much to ask? Where's Music Madness? I have no idea, Nor. I haven't seen him in a hot minute. And Indian Bride told you my account name yesterday. I know. That's why I said my favorite non-Indian Indian. Because you're not Indian, but you just sound like you're Indian. Damn, already long can't be right. What are you talking about, ES? Didn't you just make bank? You took your way right into my heart. Yeah, but I want one more. Uh-oh. The greed. The greed's taking over. The Jedi have already taken over. If you know that quote, you know. What is it, the quote? See, Anakin? The Jedi are taking over. I think that's what it is. I just think it's going to chop now. Nonsense. You took your way right into my heart. This is good. We put in the bottom here. Put in another, yeah, like a low here. Go up, make a second leg higher on the retrace. Never mind, we're just gonna keep dumping. Fuck me. Fuck me. Fuck me. Are we using my thumbnail then? No, we're not. I think FF. I don't want an anime one. I think FF is gonna do one. I just need like a high quality or like a high resolution fucking photo of myself that he can like make into like something. So yeah, then another contract with Milagro Raven stopped depending on luck and our prayers. Oh, good. When we go down, when we go down together, we show them we are better. Why'd you have to come down so low to then make that friggin' push up higher? Why couldn't you have just stopped at like the 12s where you already were? But you have to push down to the friggin' 300s exactly. Raven, how long have you been trading? Raven needs to go through more pain. It will come. The only thing whether or not include free market data or not. Advice, Mike? Whether to what do you mean? Whether to include pre-market data or not? What does that even mean? Include it in what? If it's there. In your decision makings? Analysis? I don't know. I mean, I use it for like targets, but I don't know what else you base it off of if it already happened. So not the case. Don't you just look at it for targets? RTH versus ETH. I don't. What is that? Ethereum. I don't know what ETH is. What is? Uh, it's. I have no idea. I couldn't even come up with a guess. Regular trading hours versus electronic trading hours. Who the fuck knows these terms? What the fuck is this? Just buy and sell when it goes up and down. I don't know. What is all this stuff? Electronic has London and Asian session, and regular only shows New York session. I mean, I like to use like London low. I just like to see like the lows and highs from like recent for targets. Like I don't mind targeting like London low. Like that's what I did yesterday. It worked out pretty well. Then it like pulled back right after that all the way to my break even after it dumped down 40 points. So when we go down, when we go down together. I wish it was that easy. I mean, realistically, kind of is the case. Like, what else are you doing besides buying when it's in an uptrend and selling when it's in a downtrend, regardless of. It just depends on what time frame you're basing the trend off of. You know what I mean? I'm basing the trend off the 1 minute.
Michael, I'll be right back. If Dad gets home before I'm back, I'm just running to Walmart.
Okay.
And then Grampy's on his way up, but he hasn't left his house yet.
Are you sure you can leave me home alone?
Yeah, I'm just letting you know because Dad's gonna come home wondering where the hell I am.
Okay.
I know I can leave you home alone. It's hilarious stuff. Hilarious.
Yeah. All right. We're poor. We get it. We got a Walmart. What do you want from me? We're trash. Kicked up you. I don't think she can leave you alone. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm like, why is she? Like my dad's gonna come downstairs and be like, "Where's your mother?" He's not gonna fucking ask. He's just gonna go home and take a nap. I don't know how she pronounces it too good. What did she say it like? No, was there no R in it? We're from Boston, so I guess like people don't, or not really Boston, but yeah, I traded the 1 year candle. I don't care. I don't know about you. The sad part is people do it. They're like, I'm looking at the monthly. It's like, dude, I'm trying to take a friggin' 20-point trade on the Nasdaq. Why do I care about the monthly chart? Got her on stream to say coffee in New York. I I don't think she goes like coffee. I don't think she says that. If that's what you're looking for, New York. I don't really have it. I don't think. I feel like. Oh, did my stream just shut down? Are YouTube generously making that video to maintain smooth streaming? As such, viewers are experiencing buffering. I'm sorry if you're buffering. That's what I was looking for. Yeah, no, she's not gonna say coffee. I feel like that's New York. Isn't that not a New York thing? I feel like it's not a Boston. Oh no, maybe that is a Boston thing. Where's my hot coffee? Yeah, I don't know. It's like so blown out of proportion. No, you said Walmart like a normal person. Yeah, I don't really have it that much. My teachers would ask me if I was from down south sometimes. I don't know why. But I don't think I sound like I'm southern at all either. Boston? What is it? Is that the way people say Boston? 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 Boston. Yeah. Where is Boston? Massachusetts? Do you live in the U.S., Nor, or no? Yes, is it in New York? Is what in New York? Not Liverpool, England. Oh, you live in England? That's cool. Yeah, Boston's like Massachusetts. It's like the northeast of the United States. We're like on the ocean, like very east coast of the United States, like northeast. Honestly, this flag short here. I'm gonna wait. I could see this breaking lower and going lower. I'm gonna hope we have another bounce. I come up a trap that retraces higher to like the 5 minute, like 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute EMA. But I could see us going lower, but I just don't want to take the shot right now. I'm just gonna hope we bounce. I'm gonna assume maybe we'll like snap below this trap, go up higher, trap up here for longs, and then come down. That's my guess, or that's what I hope. Something along those lines. I know where the states are. Just didn't know what state it was in. Yeah, yeah. It's like Massachusetts, top right. Yeah. What's it like getting up at 9 a.m. to trade? Like, oh, are you West Coast FFs? Where are you? Are you Cali? Or somewhere over there? I only trade 6 a.m. New York time onwards, but it is amazing. No concern about missing my sessions. Wait, New York? Nor. Isn't it like midday for you? Oh, Vancouver, Canada? What time? Is Vancouver west side of Canada? I mean, it must be, because if it was right above. I thought. What's over by me? Montreal? I think Montreal might be the same time frame as me, right? I thought Edmonton was way west. Is Edmonton very west of Canada? Like above like California and shit like that too? Yeah, it is. Yeah. Okay. Or were you answering for Montreal? I know like some of my friends have driven to Montreal. Yeah, Quebec. I have a place in what Quebec would be right above Massachusetts, right? Yeah, because a lot of people speak French there. Yeah, Edmonton next to. Okay, oh, yeah. I have a place up in Maine that's uh right below Quebec, I think, or just I know it's below Canada. I don't know what part of Canada, but they speak French there. I don't know where if they speak French everywhere, but in Canada, but I think it's Quebec. Is it true in Canada you need to remember? I mean, is it true in the states you need to memorize all the states? For what? I mean, like everybody just knows all the states. I feel like it's just like I don't like that's the thing. Do other countries have states? I don't even know. I don't even know how that works. Or do you guys just have like cities everywhere? Like I don't even know how that even works at all. Like if you're in fucking what did you say you were in Priv? Like Indonesia? Like what is the difference of a state? You're American is showing. Oh no. No, England just have cities. See, and then Germany got states as well. See, that's not a terrible question. Cities and countries in England. Oh, so no states? Like, well, or no? Don't you have like districts or something? Because you have like Wales, like Northern Ireland or something like that. Scotland or something. I don't know. Like, what is like Wales and like, what's the other one? Guernsey or something like that. I don't know. Where did you get Indonesia? Oh, you're in London. I, I thought you were from Indonesia. uh, Wales and Scotland are NI and NI are countries? No, 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 no. Wales and Scotland are not countries. Yeah, the UK is a country. Wales and Scotland and Northern Ireland are not countries. I thought I was. You said I'm pretty. I could have. No, not because Indian. No, because I could have sworn I said you were Indian, and then you're like, no, I'm Indonesia. Or I'm from Indonesia. It's not even the same. And I was like, oh, that's close enough. I swear someone said they were from Indonesia. Yes, no, they're not. No, I swear. Wales is a country inside the UK. I don't believe that. It's just the UK is a country. I saw a TikTok on this. Let's see. Let me see. Is Wales a country? Nice. Oh my god, my fucking computer's so slow sometimes. I know all the countries, and Wales is not a country. Unless Sporkle is lying to me. My god, what is my fucking computer so slow for? Alright, let me close that. Maybe I got too many tabs open here. I got friggin' my fun of users, Apex. If you're ever in London, let you know. I heard there's just a bunch of Indians in London now. Uh, Give you a tour at London Stand, bro. Can you chill out with mentioning Indians? No, I heard my brother's girlfriend just went to London or whatever, and it's all Indians now. I'm pretty sure. That's why you moved there. Yeah, isn't it like the crime terrible there? Alert. All right, I'm gonna add. I'm gonna add into this position here. Sure, common enemy of the Indians. Okay. Added into my Dow position. Let's go back to NQ here. Finally getting a move higher. Back to VWAP. This might be a little bit too big of a retracement for me. Yeah, no. Problem is, that's a fucking big boy stop here. Oh, God. My bad, we share a common enemy of the Indian. Oh, wait. My bad, Mike. I was in this long. It was terrible. Isn't that a good thing? Didn't you just make money on that? I was waiting so much on that consolidation period. Oh, you were in all the way from here? Did you get up on that? How many trades do you take a day, Raven? Where did everyone go? Jesus Christ. Is my Ninja Trader frozen? Well. Well. Usually 2 to 3, but today I took 4. Are you done or no? And are you green? Extra Green, thanks for asking. Good job. Not gonna lie, this price action no good. Just want to say, Mikey, you're awesome. Wow. What a nice lady, Raven. I don't know what I did, but I appreciate it. And I'm not loving this price action, but I got a BE for my sell at 340. When did you get in? Did you get in like way over at like 10:05? Have you been in for like 40 minutes? Gonna call it. I know nothing more good to slap on that mind game again, Mike, if you're down. I will after. I might potentially take a short here depending on what happens, so I'm gonna wait, but I'll slap it on after. Had that same sell as UFF at the beginning till I broke even, yeah. Like 15 points the first push up. Yeah. Raven, I felt the same way about like Pat. Like I would go and I'd go like look at Pat's stream after him. Like, dude, I called like even if I didn't take the trade, I'd be like, I knew he was gonna take that trade or whatever. Like, I knew I should have taken that trade, or like I would take the same trade as him, and then like makes you feel good because it's like someone who's doing well. Just like when you take the same trade as someone doing well, it makes you feel good. All right, maybe I am starting to see the market good. Peace out, FF. Friday, baby. Yes, sir. Tomorrow will be a good day because it's Friday. I don't know. Fridays always scare me because then I just fucking, if I lose, I just go into the weekend feeling like a piece of shit. Last weekend was good because then I was getting a payout, but the problem was my fucking Apex page never updated, which sucked. And then like I was over the weekend. I looked at the fucking Apex page fucking 50 times waiting for it to update, and then it never did. Maybe a buy right here. I just think we've retraced enough. Like if you're looking like the 15 or the 30, let me see. Like I'm basing off of like EMAs or whatever. Like we retraced over the 5 minute, like more back to like the 15 is where we're at now. So this could be a flood. Like I would probably be entering short if we get below here, like break of this flag, this level of this like previous whatever. But I don't know. And then but then you look like 15, like same thing below the EMA, 30 below it. But then like the 1 hour, look at that, and it looks like we're trying to stay above it, and like on the bigger time frame. Like when you start to get like hour and we're above it, like we're touched off the fucking EMA right there. Like it's looking that it could flip and turn into a bull flag. But it comes back down, that would be okay. I don't want to play off the hourly and 4 hourly as much. I more just want to play off like the third, like 15, maybe the 30, but the 15 and the 30 are usually like right at the same fucking spot. My stop keeps getting bigger though if it were to come down. That's like the max I want to allow myself to lose in a day, which is like $600. This would be a little bit over, but we'll see. See what happens. It's 10:50 now. I don't know. I probably could just walk away, but we'll see. We'll wait the last 10 minutes. Why not? It's not gonna hurt anybody. I was sitting there thinking about how I want to make, like, or I said I want to make like 200K this year, and obviously we are nowhere close to that. But there is still time. Like, realistically, it's because I made no progress for like a while, or like didn't get payouts for a while. But I feel like I'm starting to actually be at like a really good stage in my trading, and so there's still time. But then I was sitting there thinking, I'm like, man, if I make it, like the problem is if I don't make over like 140, it feels like a downgrade because that's how much I would make like working electrical. So like I'm like, well, if I made 140K, obviously it would be awesome because it's trading or whatever. So it's like if you make 140K, that's sick. But it just wouldn't be more than I already made. But then I have to also think of it between like an hourly perspective of like, well, that was me working like minimum 8 hour days, 40 hours a week, 50 to 51 weeks a year or whatever. And it's like, I do this in 2 hours, so it's like, what, 140 is like $70 an hour. So it's like, if I were to, what was I gonna say? If I were to make 140 trading, it wouldn't be based on 70 an hour. I only trade like a fourth of the time, and like, it's like from I even if you just call it 9 to 11, which I don't even trade. I'm like fucking getting out of bed at 9, but still, even if you just call it 2 hours, it's like that would be the equivalent of me working, or yeah, that would be the hourly rate. If I made 140, it would be $280 an hour because it's like a fourth of the time pretty much. In the morning, free weekend, and time to do other things, maybe start a business, money laundering, tax evasion. Exactly, bingo, that's exactly what I'm trying to do. Yeah, this shit, my PC is hurting today. Maybe I need to update it or something. I need to restart it. I don't know. Do you guys like shut off your PC before, or actually, Raven, I think you said you had a Mac, right? Regardless, do you like shut off? I don't know if it's like a Mac station or a Mac laptop, but do you like shut it off? Maybe I should do that. I just kind of like let it go to sleep on its own, and then I feel like some days it's just so fucking freezy. Like maybe I should like, what are the settings in here? Do you do you just close it, or do you like shut it off and then close it, or what? Like I literally just like leave my PC open and then just like let it go to sleep. I don't know if that's, I shouldn't do that. If like every night I should like shut it, like put it in sleep mode or something. You keep your PC on all the time? Me too, and let it sleep too. Yeah, I don't know if my PC does not like that or something. As you can tell by me trying to open up the fucking start just to see what the settings are, and it fucking freaking out. God. I'm literally buying a new PC and just fucking writing it all off. It's like half the reason I'm fucking starting a business. Or like basically the reason I'm starting a business. I'm just writing shit off. I'm gonna buy a laptop so I can travel and trade. I give it no break. I watch the dumbest YouTube videos at night. Like last night I woke up to Logan Paul. Oh god. I'll invest in your stock. Yeah, I don't think I'm going public anytime soon. Yeah. I don't think I'm at that point. But it's good at least one investor. Wow, yeah, I don't even think I could take a trade on this if I fucking wanted to. Look at this. I can't even move anything. It's literally completely frozen. It's a good thing fucking it's not setting up anyways. What is happening? What is that? I'm gonna end it here. Okay. I'm definitely even. I literally can't even do anything. What is happening? My fucking crosshair won't even turn into a cursor. Oh my god, this is fucking terrible. What is happening? I wonder what the market's doing. I can't even fucking tell.